Did you know that making caramel popcorn at home can be just as easy as buying it in a store, but with a taste that is out of this world? This caramel popcorn recipe is so good you will never want to buy it from stores again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi. So in my pot I've added in my oil and I'm going to let this heat up a little bit. For the written recipes and measurements, do check the description box below this video. To test the hotness of my oil, I'm going to add few drops of corn into my pot and then I'm going to let that pop, and then I add the rest of the corn. And make sure you take out the ones that's popped already before adding the rest of your corn. So now I'm adding my corn followed by my sugar, and I'm just going to stir it and allow the corn do its magic. So let me know, do you also love the sound of popping corn? I really do love the sound, like it is so satisfying. Let me know in the comments if you do like the sound too. So you can just shake your pot a little bit so that it would pop faster and evenly. And when the sound reduces, when the popping sound reduces, then you know that your corn has finished popping. So my corn has popped and the colors are even, no burnt part at all. So I'm just going to move on to the next stage, which is our caramel. So I'm using the caramel that I made in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch, or I'll link it somewhere for you to click and watch. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients that needs to be in this caramel popcorn, which is my glucose. So this is the glucose and I'm adding it now. And also check the description box for the ingredients. All the list of ingredients will be there in the description box. So I'm going to mix my glucose and my caramel together. If you don't have glucose syrup, you can use corn syrup. And followed by my vanilla flavor. Now I'm going to take my caramel off the heat and then I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is our baking soda, and I'm going to stir that up together and then pour it into my popcorn. So if you have any question regarding this caramel recipe, please drop them in the comment section and I'll be glad to attend to them. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're most welcome. Consider to hit that subscribe button and join this family. On this channel I share amazing baking recipes and tutorials, tricks and hacks. So I'll be glad if you click that subscribe button right now and hit the like button on this video. And here comes the best part. Spread your caramel coated popcorn onto a lined baking sheet and let it bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you'll have the most beautiful glossy caramel coated popcorn ever. The moment we have all been waiting for. Look at that beautiful glossy caramel popcorn. So break it up into big chunks, and this is where the texture really shines. As it cools down, it hardens up just enough to create a perfect crunchy bite. So just go ahead and take a moment to admire your handiwork, because you're about to enjoy something truly delicious. I hope you'll be trying this recipe. Please let me know in the comments when you try them. Let me know how yours turned out, and don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and then I'll see you in my next video. Happy snacking. Bye.